Qwirkle is a tile placing strategy game that can be played online at ultraboardgames.com. As you can see here in this video, you can search through it on Google, or it could be purchased at Walmart for just $30. Players take turns placing lines of tiles that share the same attributes, such as color or depicted shape. So you can see there's 6 different colors and 6 different shapes within the game. Players start with 6 tiles and attempt to play as many tiles, scoring points for length of lines created vertically and then horizontally. So you count the tiles that go horizontally and then count them vertically, usually counting one or more of the tiles you played twice. This game is quite simple and fun that most students will enjoy. I have a copy for my workplace Math 11 class, giving them the option to play games fulfilling the curricular competency of developing thinking strategies to solve puzzles and play games. The game helps students develop and apply mathematical ideas through play. Games give students opportunities to develop reasoning skills, problem solve, think creatively, and make mistakes without any major consequences. And I would recommend this game for any math class. There is a description on further tutorial video on how to play the game. I think it's definitely worth adding to the board game shelf.